Today we will show you the AVC Offset of Many Objects plugin, or simply OMO. I prepared several examples. Unlike the standard offset command, we can process all of them at once. I select the objects and type OMO. As you can see, the result is moved to a new layer and highlighted in green. Here in the settings, I enabled offset in both directions, disabled annotation processing, selected the layer for the result, and set the offset distance. You can also enable repeated offset and automatic deletion of the original objects. As you can see, the result is quite predictable for a normal offset. However, one loop-shaped object caused an error, and the offset was not created in the lower part. This is a common problem with shapes like this. Fortunately, such geometry is very rare in real-world work. Offset is a complex mathematical operation, and our plugin does not change the mathematics behind it. It simply makes working with many objects much easier. This is Michael from AVC School. One of the applications of offset is CNC, especially creating letters and fonts. Your head may hurt a little now, but if you understand this, you will become an AutoCAD master. We also have another plugin for CNC preparation called NC Prepare. As you can see in this example, offset detects contours prepared with NC Prepare and automatically creates an offset inward or outward, depending on whether the contour is inside or outside. Let's switch to the expanded viewport and see how OMO recognizes these contours. The inner contour of the letter is on the NC_pocket 10 layer, while the outer contour is on NC_outside 10. They were automatically created from a 3D solid using NC Prepare, but they can also be renamed manually. What is important is the layer name. OMO uses the layer type and the milling depth, the number 10 at the end, to recognize these contours as CNC prepared geometry and process them accordingly. So with just one click, I can prepare these letters for milling and then install them into the slots. I select the OMO preset for making the letters thinner. You can save up to 9 different presets here. My preset uses the inward direction, which makes the contours thinner. Interaction with NC Prepare is enabled, and the offset distance is set to 1 mm. I select the required contours and run OMO. As you can see, the letter contours are automatically reduced by 1 mm, taking the milling into account. Now the finished letters can easily fit into the prepared slots. This was AVC School. Work smart. You can download the plugin using the link below.